If you can't tell, this camera is super sick for selfie filming. I know a lot of you guys come out, you film yourself. Why not make that selfie stick just disappear? Looks like you only got a floating camera following you. Pretty sick. And if you get comfortable with the camera, you can make your posture look super like comfortable and almost like the camera's not there. So that's what it looks like selfie mode, which is pretty sick. And then when you make the pole disappear, it gives you plenty of space to push the like button right there. Just go ahead and smash that thing for us. And let's do some follow cam and show you guys how sick follow cam can look. Give Cody this backpack. The snow is insane right now. Fresh snow. Alright, let's rip a little bit. The warmest merch in the game. It's just too much. This is just a t-shirt. I'm sweating to death. It's almost as warm as today. Sticker shout out. We got its bicorn with the, I don't even know what sticker that is. The Galaxy sticker on the helmet. Looking insane. As well as we got Tyler Belog with 2 Evolution stickers on the helmet. Guys, thank you so much for snagging Evolution stickers. If you want an Evolution sticker or any of the merch, the hoodies, t-shirts, the long sleeves, so you can be sweating out here on the mountain with me, it's all linked in the description. Not only does it support this channel, allow me to do this for a living, but it comes with guaranteed compliments. So snag some Evolution merch and also tag me on your Instagram, or on my Instagram, not your Instagram. With your Instagram, tag me so I can give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. And now it's time to pull out the drone. Is it not a drone? Is it gonna look like a drone? Here we go. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? How are we getting these shots? Cody, dude, that's a pretty big pole you got there.
Yeah, a lot of people have always told me I got a big stick.
So this thing is insane. It's huge. We dig it. The things we can do with this, one on a resort, but two with jumps and stuff. We're really excited for this big pole. We look really goofy riding with it, but we don't care. So one, if you think this thing is cool, subscribe to the channel. But two, we're getting made fun of. So subscribe to the channel and let's go. Now I know I said Evolution stickers come with like guaranteed compliments, but this pole comes with guaranteed attention. People are all about the major pole on the mountain. So.
Love my pole.
Everybody, move your body.
Give a shout out to Cody real quick, everyone, for filming, holding this pole. He's put in some work. Alright guys, I have no idea how this footage is turning out. I really don't. We're playing with it and having so much fun, and I hope that's translating through the video. We're literally just out here having a blast. We got Blaze, who showed up to summer camp that I wasn't at, and it was a good time, man. Blaze is ripping, Cody's ripping, filming. What a day. It's always good getting Cody in front of the camera. The dude's showing up and ripping hard. I want him to get out, get some turns for himself, you know. All right, so before we knock out Chipmunk, I just wanted to say a big reason why I wanted to work with Insta360. They are so awesome when it comes to making TikToks and Instagrams. So you guys need to go check out my TikTok and my Instagram. Go follow both for bonus extra content. We hired Cody this season to not only film, but to help make that short form content. So Cody's the man, but also it's more stuff. Go check it out, guys. Please. Okay.
Cody on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Cody! Cody! We picked up a crew, by the way. I love ripping with you guys. You see me on the mountain, come say what's up.
I want hands by the Keystone. Get the millions and lay low. Take mine, what I'm gonna wait for. Put my bros on the payroll. Out of sight, out of mind, on my way. Out of sight, out of mind, on my way. Out of sight, out of mind, on my way. Out of sight, out of mind, on my way. I've been blind to it. All these suckers, all these busts, all these leeches, now I'm not blind to it. Yeah. Get you done or we gon' run or watch me come up off of my music. I just make 10 in a week. I can make 10 in a week.
I wanted to do one run with the Insta360 Go 2, which is this tiny size of an AirPod case camera. This thing's incredible. But we'll have to say that for another video because we were just having too much fun with that ginormous pole. But what I did want to say, guys, is anything for Insta360, once again, this is my new camera sponsor for the whole season. All of their stuff is linked in the description if you do want to buy any of it, support it. I'm sponsored by them, so just so you guys know, this is a sponsorship. But if you want any of the camera stuff, you thought what we were doing looked fun or cool today, you like the shots, you want to get them, this camera is super sick and it's linked in the description. So I just wanted to show you guys how dope it is shredding, and we're going to get back into just the snowboard topics and stuff like that, but let's cover a little bit of gear and stuff, you know, why not? And I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, smash the like, subscribe, snag an Evolution sticker, and with that, as always, thank you so much for shredding with us today, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with some more videos. We're just going to go up a chairlift to go down a chairlift to get out of here, so peace!